Happy 4th of July!
Hey, how you doing? This is Marty McFly. You're hanging out with Doomsday Dan Productions and DEI by the DeLorean. You know, Doc Brown's DeLorean. You know, if you're going to travel through time, you got to do it with style, especially with this car. This is the 2015 series with Mr. Fusion. You know, it is the 30th anniversary. You got to check it out. Check out this guy behind the camera. This must be Dan. So, take care.
Happy 4th of July! Doomsday Dan Production rocks!
Take a look of a fun holiday weekend.
Alright everyone, we have Rayn training for the high dive, okay? First, let's see her jump from the edge. You gotta begin at the bottom. Go! Alright, that was a great jump! She swims like a fish. And her floaties, of course. And now she's doing it backwards. Awesome. Alright, here she goes to the high dive. It's her first time ever.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, she did it. July!
Happy 4th of July.
Hope you're having fun around the pool in this summer heat down here in sunny South Florida. We're enjoying the pool. Rayn's certainly enjoying the pool.
And I'm jumping.
And she's jumping.
Yeah.
Let's see you jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! She got me wet. I just wanted to invite you to Doomsday Dan Land around the pool for this summer nice barbecue for 4th of July. That's right. Happy 4th of July, everybody, from Doomsday Dan Productions. It's not just fishing.
It's a variety channel. Doomsday Dan Productions rocks.
Right. Good job holding her breath.
1, 2, 3.
Yay.
I was a cute little baby.
Yes, you were.
Doomsday Dan, I got my own boat.
Keep balance, Rayn. Keep your balance. Oh, you're doing awesome. Oh, no, there she goes. Round and round she goes. All right, it looks fun. Making me dizzy, though. Where she stops, nobody knows. Almost the loser.
Come on, Ted, get out. Get out, puppy.
Okay, we put this.
Get one down the water with me.
Good job. Come on, Tuck. Even Tucker's enjoying the pool. Go, Rayn, spin, spin, spin. Woo, yeah. My little diving champion. Tucker's out. Yep, even Tucker loves the pool, too. And they're off. Didn't get very far. It's not a very big pool. From here to there. Don't forget, guys, you want to see some more pool action? Go watch my crazy Doomsday Dan inventions. Go look at the playlist. There's a couple of them there in the pool. We invented the noodle chair. Missing the other piece right here.
1, 2, 3, go!
Even Slasher Steve enjoys the noodle chair. And the swim belt was put away for wintertime. I gotta go get it now. It's summer. Here's a demonstration of the swim belt. Yep, that was a cool clip, wasn't it? Go watch the full videos. Doomsday Dan's inventions.
Bully guy.
Jump, Rayn, jump out. Woo! 3, jump! Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Rayn, the diving queen. Yay! Look at her go from the very high dive with her toes at the edge of the board, and she's ready to jump. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! She rocks, man. Yes, you know, what an awesome jumper you are. Now that you've jumped a high dive, what are you gonna do next?
Go to Disneywood.
Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Put your hand down, baby! We got a winner for our contest, and it's Twig from the Goon Squad. Go check out that awesome YouTube channel. Twig and the Goon Squad rocks! Alright, let's check the grill out. We got hog loins, sausage hog, sheep's head fish, burgers, and some summer sausage. Can't have summer without summer sausage.
No.
Now, who wants barbecue sauce? Let's do it. There you go. Barbecue it up. What do you mean that's not how you cook barbecue? I looked it up on YouTube. What? I'm supposed to have fire in here? Oh, well. Looks like it's going to take us a little bit longer than to eat our dinner. Oh, well. Life goes on. Happy 4th of July.
Go and smell the beer.
All right. Now to the real reason why we're here. 4th of July fireworks.
Happy Independence Day.
That's what it's all about. Get back, Jack! Get back!
Sparklers are my favorite.
They look like dog poop.
Yep, they're snakes.
Right.
I like your little protective cup there.
Safety first.
Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day.
Do not, I repeat, do not attempt to do this at home. I am a trained professional. Pyromaniac, that is. Steel wool and a clothes hanger. Who knew steel wool was flammable? And sparkles.
All right. Hope y'all enjoy Doomsday Dan's Nunchuck Light Show Extravaganza, baby.
Go kill a zombie, it'll make you feel better. Kids, don't try this at home. Adults, don't try this at home. It is fire and it burns. So no kids playing with fire. Only me, Doomsday Dan.
We love you.
Hey, Doomsday Dan, that was cool, but I got some really good fireworks for you. Watch this. Fireworks this year at your house. Thanks for inviting us, Say-Tay. Did you like it? Huh? Loved it, huh?
Climb over the fence.
Alright.
Only you can prevent forest fires.
Only you. Doomsday Preppers! Roar. Don't forget to watch my prepper videos, fish on fishing videos, with me, the Bass Hunter, and Cap Tony on his saltwater fishing adventures, cook-on shows,
Yeah.
Bub and Tucker Puppy Power,
Yeah.
me and Rayn having a blast, crazy grandpa and granddaughter,
Yeah.
just about anything you can want. Radio-controlled fun with helicopters and cars,
Yeah.
Joe Dirtbike,
Don't do it.
the Stunt Man,
It's the...
Tony's Trashy Treasures, Tony's Dirty Treasures.
Yeah.
That's right, it's a variety channel. Keep looking, there's something for everyone. There's jokes, there's pranks, there's comedy, skits, you name it. Go watch it and check out all our playlists. Hundreds of videos to go browse through.
Watch. Bye. Please subscribe. Just YouTube channel.
Doomsday Dan Productions.
Thanks for watching.
Doomsday Dan Productions.
Mighty Mouse. Awesome.
Yeah.
Have a fun, safe holiday. That was a weird joke, Grandpa. Grandpa?
What happened? Thanks for being a fan. Come on and join the clan in Doomsday Dan Land. Guarantee you'll like it. Happy 4th of July, everybody! Hey, everyone. I'm ready to make some more rock and roll videos. Aren't you ready to go watch them? Sissy time, baby! And like I said, more to come. Thanks for watching Doomsday Dan Productions. And happy 4th of July, everybody, because that's what it is.